What's going on? Michael here, 360 Digital Closing Bell here on this beautiful March 31st. It's a Tuesday. I'm live from an undisclosed location here in Denver, Colorado. We will get to the digital ticker and my one big thing, which we will look at Diamondbacks hedge positions for 2020 and 21. They've updated a little bit, but first, the Energy 360 network by Intercom is dropping a boatload of content. Specifically today, an interview with myself, Stu Turley, who's the director and publisher of Oil and Gas 360.com, and Anthony McDaniels, the CEO and founder of Rare Petro Engineering Technology. It's a fascinating conversation, and I think it's going to lend to a lot of people Anthony's story on how he actually started a company in another downturn oil price environment because he got laid off. And I think a lot of people are going to find it kinship, and I hope you guys take away something. Also, if you are not subscribed to this podcast on iTunes or Spotify or YouTube, stop what you're doing, pause this show, go do that. Rate, review, subscribe, whatever makes the iTunes algorithm bump us up. I need your help. Give me 5 stars. It's a great way to stay up to date on all your energy finances. We will be recording another week look back podcast today. My oil price levels look very good, so please continue. I appreciate all the love on that. And with that, let's go ahead and dive into the digital ticker. Red day for equities, good day for oil. Odd. Usually it's the other way around, so it would be interesting. Down 1% to 25.73. That's our ES contract. Down 1.5% as mentioned. NASDAQ only down 0.88% to 7,700. It closed on the day for that. Good number to see in the NASDAQ, though. That's a really, really good number. Dow Jones, though, 21,917. That's a 410-point drop. We're about 1.84%. Here's, though, oil. Great day on the day, though. 1.34%, down to about 2016, which is really good. 2030. I'm looking at the wrong one. That's our forward month contract. 12-month strip though, 35.67. That's a 0.25% drop. Again, U.S. oil 2030. That's a 0.4% movement. So a little bit upwards movement. We were all the way up at $22 though, and then that thing dropped itself back down, and oil sounded itself down to the $20 range. Couldn't quite break that $20 range though. So it's very interesting to see, and we'll keep you updated on where that price of oil goes. Natural gas, $1.65 even, 2% movement down on the day, but that 12-month strip does a little better, 0.5% increase down to $2 or up to $2.60 and 9 pennies on the nose. Our XOP contract actually was up on the day, which is EMP Securities. Considering the equity market's down, our XOP contract up 2.75% to $32.90. Our EMP Oilfield Services contract, OIH, up, finally cracks $4.02, or about a 2.8% move. On the downside, though, we've got a couple stocks losing on the day. ETC, Marcellus Trust, more of an ETF. ECT is the ticker symbol, down 9.4% to 34 cents. Down 9.8%, to 19 cents. High Point Resources, another Colorado operator, actually a little new. And our biggest mover on the downside is 10.9%. It's Chaparral Energy, or at 0.47. Our biggest movers on the day, we have some big movers on the day. Like I said, that EMP Securities contract up 2.78%. So we've got some really big movers. Starting, Midcon Energy Partners up 36% to 17 cents, almost 18 cents a share. Sanchez Midstream, 43% increase, up to about 43 cents. And Barnwell Industries Inc. up 93 and 2%, Now, let's move into our one big thing of the day, and that's going over Diamondback Resources, or FANG, FANG. I really love that ticker symbol. It's one of probably the best ticker symbols out there. They trade on the NASDAQ, FANG or Diamondback Resources. They came out with their 2022 or 2021 updates and 2021 updates to hedging. And I just want to give you an example. We talked about this in my long form podcast, why you don't do three-way collars. But there's this idea of what's called the costless collar, where if you can sell a put option up top, or for a ceiling, you sell a call option for your floor, and then look, all of a sudden now you've created this ability to go buy a put option for your premium, and it's cost you zero. And you look at costless collars. Well, they don't always work out like that. And what you're going to see on Diamondback's Resources is a lot of costless collars. But the thing I want to point out is to the levels at which they're hedged at. Diamondback Resources for quarters 2, 3, and 4 are hedging at around $44 a barrel. That is such a low number. I haven't seen the last time swaps have come out for a company in the $40 to $45 range. I'd even see it. There's even a 37 on here. An unbelievable number for some of these ceilings and some of these floors that they can transition. 98% of their liquid is going to be hedged, an unbelievable number. You can see this article on www.oilandgas360.com, Diamondback hedging. I'd encourage you to look at the actual breakdown, some of these numbers will scare you. So watch out for some of these updated guidances that are coming out when it comes to hedging. You're about to see a wildly hedged market. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys get back to work. Thank you for checking out the 360 Digital Closing Bell. We'll see you tomorrow.